All right, now I'm going to go over product categories. So we've gone over options and posts. So let's go to categories. For instance, in the homepage example, we went over how to pull in the categories on the homepage. Now, the cool thing is if you want that on the trips index, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and dive right in and I'll show you what I mean by that. Under WooCommerce and settings, under products, there's this product archive, and then that's your homepage that we've already selected, and that should be selected for you automatically. Now the cool thing is the shop page display, and that's actually the index page right here, and that will display what you tell it. So for instance, we have show products, but you can have show categories or show both. So for instance, let's do show subcategories, and you'll see it now displays the categories, and then if you click on the category, then you get the list of all the posts in it. And then you can display both this categories and the products as well. But let's go and just leave this as is, since that's the example I'm going to go over. Now we can set these featured images for these boxes as well, and that's under products and categories. And if you just select your category, you can upload an image or select an existing image and click use image, update that, and now our Africa has a thumbnail to click on, which is pretty cool. And then we can do the same thing with Central America. We can edit it and upload an image. And then one thing that you might not have noticed is that we can actually add subcategories as well. So for instance, if we add North Africa, we can set Africa as the parent. And let's upload an image for that. And then we can add a new product category, and you'll see that North Africa is now within Africa. And so for instance, let me adjust this product, and now instead of having it in Africa, I'll have it in North Africa. And then you'll see how this works out. So if I refresh the page, Africa still has one chip, and it's African. And we can adjust the settings again to under products. If you want the category display, you can have subcategories as well. So if we save those changes, you'll see how this works out. So now if I click on Africa, I'll get North Africa and any of those other subcategories, and then the product. And so this allows you, if you want to make, you have tons of products, you need to sort them, you have tons of depth that you can do for these, or you can just change them back to show just products. And so when you refresh the home page, instead of categories, it displays products. It's really just up to you on how you want to show them, but that's just an example that we wanted to use for the live preview. And then the last thing I wanted to go over was, actually we covered everything, so that should cover the setting up of all this content.